Hello everyone, as I am teaching mean deviation. In last lecture I taught mean deviation for discrete type of data. Now in this lecture we will see mean deviation for continuous type of data. Okay, so we have already discussed these formulae because formulae are same for discrete and continuous data. Three things: mean deviation about mean, about median, and last is about mode. Now we will see numerical of this mean deviation for continuous data. So we have this continuous data set. So in continuous data, always first task is finding midpoint. So this is interval, this is frequency, interval, frequency, and first we will find midpoint. Midpoint of this interval is 5, this is 15, and for this is 25, and so on. So formula for mean deviation about mean for continuous data is this one. And in this formula, first task is calculation of mean, and formula to find mean for continuous data is summation fx divided by summation f. So we have prepared one column of fx, f into x, and summation of this is 1320, and this divided by summation f, then you will get 30 as arithmetic. So we have arithmetic mean, this one. Now next task is x minus mean. So we will prepare column for x minus mean. So x is 5, mean is 30. So 5 minus 30 is equal to minus 25. In that way you can find all. And then we will take its modulus. Modulus means all negative values convert into positive, and positive remains positive. And after that your requirement is f into modulus. So we will construct column for f, multiplication with its modulus, then you will get this column, and then summation of this is what? 590. Now we will put in this formula, this is 590, and this divided by summation f, that is what? 44. So this is equals to how much? So this is equals to 13.4, that is mean deviation about mean. This is 13.4. And if this 13.4 divided by mean, 13.4 divided by mean, that is what? 30. So this is coefficient of mean deviation about mean, and this is equals to 0.44. So this is mean deviation about mean. Now next is mean deviation about median. So for this we will replace this mean by median. So we have this formula, and in this formula your first task is calculation of median. So median for this individual data I have already explained in my lecture of median. So I have already calculated here. So median for this data is 30.76. So we have median. So first task is x minus median. So we will create column for x minus median. This is x minus median. X is what? 5. Median is what? 30. So median is 30.76. So x 5 minus 30.76, that is what? Minus 25.76. Now we will take its modulus. So all negative values convert into positive, positive remains positive. And this quantity multiplied by f, so we will create one more column of f into this x minus median, then this column, and then we will get summation. So summation of this is 5, this is 588.48. So this is equals to 588.48, and this divided by summation f. Summation f is 44. So you will get this mean deviation about median is median is 13.37. This is 13.37. Now this 13.37 divided by median, which is 30.76. So you will get coefficient of mean deviation about median, and this is equals to 0.396. Sorry, this is this is 30 and this is divided by 30.76. So you will get this is 13.37 divided by 30.76. So this is 0.43. This is coefficient. Now next is mean deviation about mode. So simply we will replace this median by mode. So this is the formula, and this is the formula for mean deviation about mode. And first task is what? Calculation of mode, and formula for mode is this. I have already explained in my lecture of mode. I will share a link of this mode lecture in description box. So I have already find this mode, and this is what? 33.52. So next requirement is what? X minus mode 33.52. So we have this x value is 5 and mode is 33.52. We will subtract from 5. So you will get 28 minus 28.52. Then next task, modulus. We will create modulus. So all negative values convert into positive and positive values remains positive. And then multiplication with f. So we have this f column and we have this mod of x minus mode. Now multiplication, you will get this column, and summation of this is 582.96. So we will put in this formula. This is what? 582.96, and this quantity divided by 44, summation f. So you will see this equals to 13.24, and this 13.24 divided by mode, and for this case mode is what? 33.52. So you will get its coefficient, and this is equals to 0.394 something. So this is coefficient of mean deviation about mode for this continuous type of data. So I hope you understand this concept of mean deviation for group data or continuous data in all these three situations for mean, median and mode. So I hope you understand. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.